Downloading audio from Tumblr? Well, it can be done in exactly 4 simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In this video, we are gonna see how we can download audio from Tumblr. First, we want to find the post that has the audio we want to download and right-click on it. And go to Inspect at the bottom of it. Now switch to Network tab and play the audio file.
Good morning. Just saying
A
hello.
media type
What
has
were you
recently been
expecting?
added to this
Rare?
type list. Now at the very left, right-click on the name of the media. Open a new tab
Good morning.
and to this vertical
Just saying
3
hello.
dots, click
What
on
were you
it
expecting?
and there we have
Rare?
download option. Click on it. That's how you download audio file from Tumblr. Hope you guys liked it. For similar video updates in the future, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.